Tip trick skill. Sprinkle salt on the broken and clogged key. The salt helps lubricate and pull the key out from the lock. Take half a potato and dip it in salt. Use it to clean blackened pans. Rub the blackened part and wipe with cloth. The pot is clean again. Cover the remaining onions with salt to keep them fresh for later use. Even after a week, it was still fresh. Sprinkle salt on the cloth and rub the burnt iron base over the salt. Wipe with tissue to clean the stain. The iron is like new again. Put the salt, baking soda, and aluminum foil in a pot of boiling hot water. Dip the dishes and dissolve will clean them right away. Hopefully useful. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.